especially just recently, of course I'm having to go around to promote my concert, and a lot of people always ask me, "Now, are you gonna whistle in the show?" Just because I also have not done it in a while. I will be very, very transparent, very honest. I have considered it, but considering also how super challenging na rin po talaga itong upcoming concert ko po, itong Ember. Honestly, I'm doing so many songs na wala akong, like you said, wala akong ibang masisi. Kasi ako yung gumawa ng set list. Wala akong ibang masisi. Like, as I'm running through the show na parang,
Kaya pa ba?
30 minutes into the show, I'm telling you right now, I have no one else to blame. Pero it is a very vocally challenging show. Not to the point na parang I don't think I can do this to myself pa.
Yeah.
Na I tell this all the time to Dave na parang I have these moments of temptation na parang I guess I want to surprise people to still want to do it.
Yeah.
But then I tell him na parang, but then there's always this yung kapalit na it's hurting my voice more, and knowing na if I do it in the middle, even if I do it by the end of the show, yung kapalit na parang mas lalo lang na damage pa yung boses ko. Parang ano yung lagi natin sinasabi na parang that little moment of satisfaction for others, if it costs me
a lot of stress.
Ang laki ng cost
Kasi
sa akin.
as early as now, you are thinking about it, which obviously
I really
parang
am.
it is taking some form of toll, and I think it is unfair to kind of for people to put that pressure on you, because a 5-10 second whistling or scratching should not dictate the quality of a 2-hour show. Diba? So parang ayun lang.
My husband says, yeah.